Hello, my name is Edine and I am Kérastase Global Scientific Director. My job is to ensure we develop powerful formulas while proving their efficacy and safety and make sure they match the needs of our consumers. Woman after woman told us that no matter what they use, damage keeps coming back. Hair keeps breaking. Do you know what the problem is? It's calcium. To be precise, it's a calcium overdose. Surprising, right? Because as a child, you like calcium. It helps growing big and strong. But when it comes to damaged hair, it's different. They are extremely porous, absorbing 3 times more calcium from water than healthy hair. That's the overdose. On the inside of hair, calcium sneaks in between keratin chains and breaks their links, making hair weak. On the outside, calcium builds up on the scales, making hair rough, dull, rigid, and prone to breakage. So, at each contact with water, calcium accumulates and hair keeps breaking, leading to a cycle of persistent damage. Well, our labs found the solution. After 12 patents, more than 600 tests, and testing on hundreds of women across the world, we have cracked the code of persistent damage. We found the right ingredient at the right dose to decalcify and repair at the same time. Let me explain to you how it works. First, we decalcify hair, aka we remove the calcium with up to 3% citric acid. Its molecular shape has 3 arms. They bind to the calcium, then trap and eliminate it. Second, we repair the fiber at all levels, right down to the core. It's possible thanks to an ultra-potent active, glycine concentrated up to 5%. It's such a tiny amino acid that it can penetrate the deepest fiber layers to reconnect broken keratin chains and recreate hair's original strengths. Première, dual action repair haircare. Frees hair from calcium overdose that leads to breakage. And reconnect broken keratin links to recreate up to 99% of hair's original strengths. To discover hair at its Première state. Strongest, healthiest, and most beautiful state. The performance of Première is scientifically proven on all hair types. So, get your hair to the Première state it belongs.